Imagine starting your day with a flavorful bowl of oatmeal with berries. For this, you'll need half a cup of oats, a cup of water, a handful of mixed berries, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber, helping control blood sugar levels, while berries are packed with antioxidants and low GI carbohydrates. Cinnamon, on the other hand, adds a delightful flavor and may help improve your body's sensitivity to insulin. Next on the menu, we have quinoa salad for lunch. Begin with a cup of cooked quinoa, toss in a rainbow of veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Then add a handful of fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon. Quinoa, a complete protein, provides all 9 essential amino acids, and the fiber-rich veggies help keep your blood sugar in check. Lemon not only adds a tangy kick, but also aids in digestion and boosts your immune system. For dinner, how about a hearty serving of grilled salmon with steamed broccoli? You'll need a salmon fillet, a dash of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a side of broccoli. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and lower blood sugar levels. Broccoli, a non-starchy vegetable, is low on the glycemic index, making it a great choice for those watching their blood sugar levels. Now, who said you can't enjoy a sweet treat while managing diabetes? For dessert, indulge in a Greek yogurt parfait with nuts and berries. Layer Greek yogurt with a handful of mixed nuts and berries, and there you have it, a healthy, satisfying dessert. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in carbs, while nuts provide healthy fats and fiber, both helping to keep your blood sugar levels stable. In summary, managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to compromise on flavor or satisfaction. The key lies in making smart food choices, like incorporating whole grains, lean proteins, fresh fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats into your meals. Today, we explored a day's worth of meals, starting with oatmeal with berries, followed by quinoa salad, grilled salmon with steamed broccoli, and ending with a Greek yogurt parfait with nuts and berries. Remember, everyone's body responds differently to different types of foods and diets, so it's important to monitor your blood sugar levels before and after meals, and always consult with your healthcare provider or a dietitian before making any major changes to your diet. Eating healthy can be simple, easy, and delicious, even with diabetes. So take a step towards better health and try out these recipes. After all, good health starts in the kitchen.